Shiv Baba's golden words for his children abroad. The wave of service and Purusharth for the self is spreading well in the foreign countries, and a majority have very good zeal for this. You have only one obsession day and night, that you have to wave the flag of the Father's revelation in the world as soon as possible. It is because it is the duty of the foreigners to wake Bharat. So, everyone's eyes will fall on it only when you wave the flag high. And Bap Dada also calls the double foreigners, those who do a wonder. So, what wonder did you do? You have done the wonder of experiencing closeness despite the distance. The farther the country, the closer to the heart, isn't it? You have come from all the four directions. Bap Dada gives all the double foreigners a boon for their specialty. May you always be on the heart throne. You are in the Father's heart, and the Father in yours. Avyakt Vani dated 23rd December 1994, page 60, beginning.
अगर आप लोग विदेशी नहीं बनते तो विदेश के भिन्न भिन्न देशों की सेवा कैसे होती?
Hadn't you become foreigners, how would the service of different countries abroad have been possible?
अगर आप विदेश के रूप में नहीं आते,
Hadn't you been born as foreigners?
तो बाप दादा को सब देशों की भाषा के यहाँ क्लास रखने पड़ते, भाषा सिखाने के लिए.
Bap Dada would have had to arrange for classes to learn the languages of all the countries here.
वो सब तैयारी करनी पड़ती.
He would have had to make all the arrangements.
तो आप लोग जो भिन्न भिन्न देश में गए हो, वो सेवा के प्रति गए हो.
So all of you who have gone to different countries have gone there for the sake of service.
कौन?
Who?
डबल विदेशी जो वारसदार हैं, उनके लिए बोला.
It was said for the double foreigners, the heirs.
अलग अलग देश हैं.
There are various countries.
माला में अनेक धर्म हैं.
There are various religions in the rosary.
अनेक धर्म के ग्रुप से हैं.
There are groups of the various religions.
अलग अलग धर्म खंडों में बिखरे हुए हैं.
They are scattered in various religious lands.
तो उनका चुनाव करने के लिए कोई तो जरूर चाहिए ना.
So it is necessary that there is someone to select them, isn't it?
तो वह सेवा के प्रति गए हो, समझा?
You have gone there for the sake of that service. Did you understand?
ओरिजिनल आप ब्राह्मण आत्माएं हो.
You are Brahmin souls originally,
विदेशी आत्माएं नहीं हो.
not the souls belonging to a foreign country.
अगर ओरिजिनल ब्राह्मण आत्माएं न होते तो बाप विदेशियों के लिए न कहते क्या? विदेशी बाप को प्रत्यक्ष करेंगे.
Hadn't you been Brahmin souls originally, the Father wouldn't have said for the foreigners. What? The foreigners will reveal the Father.
दुनिया के लोग प्रत्यक्ष कर सकते हैं क्या?
Can the people of the world reveal him?
बाप को कौन प्रत्यक्ष करेंगे?
Who will reveal the Father?
बाप के जो बच्चे होंगे वही प्रत्यक्ष करेंगे.
Only the children of the Father will reveal him.
तो विदेशी आत्माएं नहीं हो.
So, you aren't souls belonging to a foreign country.
भिन्न भिन्न विश्व की सेवा के लिए गए हो.
You have gone there for the sake of various services of the world.
देखो, भारत में भी हर भाषा के बच्चे आए हैं और सेवा कर रहे हैं.
Look, in Bharat as well, the children who speak every language have come and are doing service.
नहीं तो पहले एक ही ग्रुप था.
Otherwise, there was only one group in the beginning.
कौन सा ग्रुप था?
Which one? Student, London.
नहीं,
No.
तो लंदन तो 69 में पहले निकला है विदेशियों के बीच में।
London emerged in 1969 among the foreigners.
पहले एक ही ग्रुप था, सिंधी ग्रुप।
In the beginning, there was only one group, the Sindhi group.
कौन सी भाषा वाला?
Those who speak which language?
सिंधी ग्रुप था।
There was the Sindhi group.
फिर धीरे धीरे भिन्न भिन्न ग्रुप, चाहे भारत के चाहे विदेश के, आते रहे और आगे बढ़ते रहे।
Then various groups, whether from Bharat or abroad, kept coming and moving ahead.
यह भी ड्रामा में नूद था।
This was also destined in the drama.
बना बनाया खेल है।
It is a preordained play.
31/12/99 की अव्यक्तवाणी का 6ठा पेज।
Avyaktivani dated 31/12/99, page 6.
वैसे भी पहले जड़ में थोड़े होते हैं।
As such, there are a few in the root first.
फिर धीरे धीरे तना और शाखाएं निकलती है।
Then gradually, the trunk and branches grew.
तो वो फाउंडेशन बना।
So that became the foundation.
निमित्त सिंध देश का।
The Sindh region became the instrument.
फिर धीरे धीरे वृक्ष बढ़ता गया।
Then the tree grew gradually.
भाषाएं और देश की शाखाएं,
Languages and branches of the country.
आप शाखाओं में नहीं हो।
You aren't on the branches.
क्या?
What?
आप शाखाओं में नहीं हो।
You aren't on the branches.
आप तो बाप दादा के साथ हो।
You are along with Bap Dada.
शाखाओं में कौन है?
Who are on the branches?
दूसरे धर्म वाले या शुद्ध स्वधर्मी और स्वदेशी।
Those of the other religions or pure Swadharmi and Swadeshis.
दूसरे धर्म वाले शाखाओं में हैं।
Those of the other religions are on the branches.
और बाप दादा कहाँ है?
And where is Bap Dada?
हैं? जो मूल तना है, जहाँ से शाखाएं निकलती हैं।
The main trunk from which the branches emerge.
तो आप तो बाप दादा के साथ हो।
So you are along with Bap Dada.
ये भाव अंदर नहीं रखना कि हम तो विदेशी हैं।
Never have this feeling within that you are foreigners.
कोहिनूर हीरा, आज तक उसकी कोई कीमत नहीं ना आंक सका।
The Kohinoor diamond. No one could estimate its value till now.
परंतु वो विदेश में क्यों रखा है?
However, why is it kept abroad?
है? भारत में भगवान आता है।
God comes in Bharat.
भारतवासियों को हीरे समान बनाता है।
He makes Bharatvasis like diamonds.
तो हीरा विदेशियों के कब्जे में क्यों है?
Then why is that diamond under the control of the foreigners?
हाँ,
Student, they know its value. Yes.
जो विदेशी हैं, वो ही उसके मूल्य को जानते हैं।
The foreigners themselves know its value.
और बाप दादा भी क्या बोलते?
And what does Bap Dada also say?
बाप की प्रत्यक्षता विदेशों से होगी।
The father will be revealed from abroad.
विदेशी बाप को प्रत्यक्ष करेंगे।
The foreigners will reveal the father.
इसका मतलब भारत के कुंभकर्ण हीरे की वैल्यू को पहचान ही नहीं पाते। किसके द्वारा पहचानते हैं? विदेशी बुद्धि में तीखे होते हैं।
It means the Kumbhakaran of Bharat aren't able to recognize the value of the diamond at all. Through whom do they recognize it? The foreigners are sharp with respect to the intellect.
बुद्धिमानों की बुद्धि भगवान भारत में आते हैं।
God, the intellect of the intelligent ones, comes in Bharat.
और भारत के लोग पहचान नहीं पाते हैं।
And the people of Bharat aren't able to recognize him.
विदेशी लोग पहचानते हैं।
The foreigners recognize him.
The fundamental foundation of foreign service is that the Kumbhakarans of Bharat will awaken through the voice of the foreign countries. This is the aim object of the foreign service. Showing the proof of service of a foreign country in that same country is no big deal. Foreign service is preordained in the drama with that aim, and it is from the foreign countries that the voice of all the inventions has spread so far. The invention would be of Bharat itself, but the Bharatvasis have been accepting the inventions of Bharat only through the foreigners. Similarly, foreign service itself will make the voice of this godly revelation rise to fame in Bharat. Avyakt Vani dated 2nd August 1975, page 72, middle.
विदेशी बाप को प्रत्यक्ष करते हैं।
The foreigners reveal the father.
भारतवासी बाप को प्रत्यक्ष नहीं कर पाते, न पहचान पाते हैं और न प्रत्यक्ष कर पाते।
The Bharatvasis, the residents of India, aren't able to reveal the father. They are neither able to recognize him nor are they able to reveal him.
भारतवासी तो ज्यादा ही तमो प्रधान बन जाते हैं।
In fact, the Bharatvasis become more tamo pradhan.
जो विदेशी हैं, वो आत्माएं परम नाम से बाद में आती हैं या पहले आती हैं?
Do the foreigner souls come later or before from the supreme abode?
बाद में आती हैं।
They come later on.
तो बाद में आने वाली आत्मा अंत तक सतो प्रधानता का पार्ट बजाएगी या पहले पुरानी आने वाली आत्मा सतो प्रधानता का पार्ट बजाएगी?
So, will the soul that comes later on play the part of being sato pradhan till the end, or will the soul which came previously play the part of being sato pradhan?
जो बाद में आने वाले विदेशी हैं, वो अंत तक सात्विक बुद्धि रहते हैं।
The foreigners who come later on keep a pure intellect till the end.
जैसे और दुनिया की नई नई खोजें कर लेते हैं, आविष्कार कर लेते हैं, उनकी अपनी बुद्धि ऐसी चलती है गहराई से।
For example, the souls who discover, invent new things in the world, their intellect works very deeply.
ऐसे ही परमपिता परमात्मा के बारे में भी वो गहराई से मनन चिंतन मंथन करके बाप को प्रत्यक्ष कर लेते हैं।
In the same way, they think and churn about the Supreme Father, Supreme Soul deeply and reveal the Father.
बाबा, तो मिनी मधुबन की रूपरेखा कैसी होनी चाहिए?
Student, Baba, how should the layout of a mini Madhuban be?
यहाँ की तो अलग बात है।
It is a different thing here.
विदेश पे मधुबन, मिनी मधुबन की रूपरेखा कैसी होनी?
How should the layout of a mini Madhuban be in foreign countries?
मना?
Baba, what do you mean?
बाबा ने तो रूपरेखा बता दी।
Another student, she wants to know the layout. Baba has told us the layout.
मिनी मधुबन नाम कहाँ से पड़ा?
From where did the term mini Madhuban come into existence?
पहले तो मधुबन नाम था।
Earlier, the name was in fact Madhuban.
वो मिनी मधुबन नाम कहाँ से पड़ा?
From where did the name mini Madhuban come into existence?
जब
एडवांस पार्टी बनी तो मिनी मधुबन पहला मिनी मधुबन कौन सा हुआ?
It came into existence ever since the advanced party was formed. Which was the very first mini Madhuban?
है?
Student, Kampil.
हाँ, तो वैसा ही होना चाहिए।
So, it should be just like that.
कंपिल में भी तो विदेशियों ने जब आना शुरू किया तभी तो प्रत्यक्षता हुई।
Even in Kampil, it was only when foreigners started arriving that the revelation took place.
इंडियंस ने तो आना ही नहीं शुरू किया।
Indians hadn't started coming back then.
अभी भी भारत के जो विदेशी हैं वो ही ज्यादा तादाद में आ रहे हैं।
Even now, the foreigners of Bharat themselves are arriving there in large numbers.
इंडियंस तो अभी भी बहुत कम हैं।
Indians are still very few.
भारत के हिसाब से, उत्तर भारत के हिसाब से दक्षिण भारत विदेश बताया है।
According to India, according to North India, South India is said to be the foreign land.
तो दक्षिण भारत की आत्माएं ढेर निकल रही है।
So many souls from South India are emerging.
भाषा न जानते हुए भी वह बात की गहराई को पहचान रही है और उत्तर भारत नहीं पहचान रहा है।
Despite the language barrier, they are understanding the depth of the concepts, while North India isn't.
तो भारत के विदेश से बाप की प्रत्यक्षता हुई सन 76 से।
So the Father was revealed from the foreign land of India from 1976.
अभी जो स्थूल विदेश है वहां से भी प्रत्यक्षता होगी।
Now the revelation is going to happen from the physical foreign land too.
अभी काम तो बहुत पड़ा हुआ है।
There is still a lot of work to be done.
Foreign service doesn't involve much hard work. It takes a lot of hard work in Bharat. The land of the foreign countries is still safe from hearsay. That hard work also needs to be made in Bharat. Secondly, the souls from the foreign countries have already seen everything and are tired of it. As for those of Bharat, they have just started seeing them. The desire has just been born in those of Bharat now, while their desire has been satisfied. This is why foreign service is easier than the service of Bharat. Avyakt Vani dated 15th March 1981, page 52, middle.
भारतवासियों की आदत है,
It is a habit of the Indians.
भारतवासी वो ज्ञान उठावेंगे, ईजाद करेंगे तो नहीं मानेंगे।
That if an Indian grasps that knowledge or invents something, they won't accept it.
और वही बात विदेशी ईजाद करेंगे तो झट स्वीकार कर लेंगे।
And if a foreigner invents the same thing, they will readily accept it.
घर का जोगी जोगिया, आर गांव का सिद्ध।
No saint was ever popular in his own parish.
सो हिसाब हो जाता है।
That turns out to be the truth.
तो दूसरों को उठाना माने ज्ञान में जगाना।
So, to uplift others means to awaken them in knowledge.
The Kumbhakarans of India are going to awaken through the foreign countries, aren't they? So, the news of foreign countries is given importance. The news will spread when it is a program of Bharat, and it is relayed in foreign newspapers. Avyakt Vani dated 15th November 2003, page 3, middle.
विदेशी जन्म देते हैं भगवान को या स्वदेशी जन्म देते हैं प्रत्यक्षता रूपी जन्म?
Do foreigners give birth to God, or do Swadeshis give the birth like revelation to Him?
है? विदेशी देते हैं।
It is the foreigners who give birth to Him.
भक्ति मार्ग में उनको कृष्ण भगवान कह दिया है।
In the path of bhakti, He has been called Lord Krishna.
ज्ञान मार्ग में वास्तव में कौन है?
Who is it in reality in the path of knowledge?
है? शिव शंकर भोलेनाथ भगवान है।
It is God Shiv Shankar Bholenath.
उन्हीं की प्रत्यक्षता की बात है।
It is about His revelation.
उनको प्रत्यक्ष करने वाला कौन है?
So, who are those who reveal Him?
विदेशी बाप को प्रत्यक्ष करते हैं।
It is the foreigners themselves who reveal the Father.
विदेशी आत्माएं हैं जो भगवान को पहचान लेती हैं। वास्तव में वो आखिरी जन्म में कोई सेवा के हिसाब से विदेशी जाकर के बनी है।
It is the souls of the foreign countries who recognize God. Actually, they have gone and become foreigners in the last birth owing to some service.
वास्तव में तो भारतीय हैं।
In reality, they are those belonging to Bharat.
The foreigners are the luckiest that they have received the Father's introduction while sitting home. You do consider yourselves to be so lucky, don't you? You are the souls with a lot of dedication, the souls who have affection for the Father. As the practical form of affection, the meeting of the Father and the children is taking place. Does each one of you consider yourself as a Suryavanshi soul? Will you come in the first kingdom or the number 2 kingdom? Only one Purusharth needs to be made for coming in the first kingdom. What is it? Always stay in the remembrance of the One and reach the constant stage. Then, you will come in one, and one. Avyakt Vani dated 6 January 1982, page 222, end.